Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, I'm very grateful to teach the child Uday.
Oh, I'm glad to know that.
Yes, and I want to discuss about his strength first. Then I can discuss
Yeah.
about his weakness
Hmm.
and how he has to perform grade ninth.
Hmm.
Really, I'm very succeeding from the Uday, and I hope so. Uday also has to get success from my end.
Hmm.
And I taught him in the class eighth entire the year. We
Yeah.
completed successfully, and I not pressurized him much. There's
Hmm.
not the age to pressurize. And now the concept here, he came to the CBSE grade ninth. So upcoming year, his mentality has to be changed up to the CBSE levels. Academically, emotionally, ethically, concept based, and examination written pattern is the most important written pattern. So this last 3 months, what I taught him, I
Yeah.
completed a few chapters in physics and chemistry and mathematics.
Yeah.
Each and every chapter, grade wise, I'm completing. And I'm getting 50% of the output from him, not
Okay.
exactly 100%.
Hmm.
So from the July month onwards, I'm very serious about the examination pattern.
Okay.
So I want to conduct the examination must on Sunday.
All
That
right.
is any time of the child freedom, maybe morning or afternoon or evening.
Okay.
But the question paper will be ready by 9 a.m. in the website.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
So this academic year, what I made the develop to the student, I made a site. It's my own site. Myself, I made it, I learned it, how to
Yeah.
create the website.
Hmm.
So here you can observe, ma'am, he can use the library.
Yeah.
This is the library.
Yeah.
In this library, if you click it,
Hmm.
and I'm loading all the contents of CBSE of grade ninth, what is
Onto this.
studying. Yes.
Okay.
And once you
Okay.
click it, this is the access for the digital library.
Mm-hmm.
I hope so. I already gave him the access also.
Yeah. He's told me that he has the access.
Yes, and I guess, oh, yes, Uday Lahari. He can able to access it. So
Okay.
he is the CBSE student. He can use the lot of books over here and CBSE grade ninth.
Okay.
Here, mathematics, science, and social sciences. Social sciences also, I'm placing all type of textbooks over here. These are all the NCRT textbooks. He can able to read it. So if he unable to go for his desk and he coming with the book, other than that directly he can open, he can see that. Even examination time also, if any point of time. And coming to the science, I loaded over here. There are different question papers over here. These are all the question papers, model question papers. After
Okay.
completion of the physics, chemistry, then he can able to complete all the question papers. These are all the board papers
Yeah. For the practice. Okay.
for the practice. And term
Okay.
2, term 1, all the science chapters which is loaded over here.
Okay.
And NCRT textbook also loaded over here. And I'm giving that notes.
This is the
So
notes that you teach them in the class, right?
yes.
Okay.
So this notes also I'm giving from this year. Motion chapter I completed. So
Yeah, actually,
motion
this is
notes,
very helpful. Yeah, chemistry
yeah, ma'am.
also and all that. So we can refer it
Yes,
back. Yeah.
yes. Other than this year, I want to give 100% value to the student. Not only 1 hour teaching and conducting exam and assessment something. 3 months once parents meeting I'm making as a mandatory because I need from the parents end. And if I'm the front of him, absolutely I can see his performance, how he is handwriting, and what about his
Yeah.
communication skills. But
Yeah.
through online, what's happening, there is a lot of gap between the student and me. What he is
Yeah.
writing, and whether he is writing or not, and what way he is writing, the way of handwriting, how it is. So these are all the things assessment I needed. So for that, I need help from the parent.
Mm.
So how he is monitoring that website or how he is studying in my class 1 hour, what he studied, so that the parent has to be monitoring. I can control my student, but I'm requesting the parent to monitor whether he is
Yeah. That.
understanding.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, whether he is understanding, that is sufficient from the parent's end. As a
Yeah.
teacher, I'm giving that the notes also here. And motion chapter completion, immediately I'm placing over here the notes. And
Yeah.
chemistry also today I'll noted the notes.
Yeah.
Here the NCERT textbook is over here.
Textbook, yeah.
If any other reference books, I'll scan it, I'll place it here. And the
Okay.
student can able to go for the library, he can view that and kind of journals.
Yeah, all right. One thing I just wanted to ask you is, see, this science, especially physics and chemistry, biology, I suppose he'll manage. So,
Yes.
the technique to attempt MCQs, because I believe a lot of MCQs are going to be added here with, right? From this, from here on.
MCQs also,
So,
description also.
yeah, yeah, so that MCQ type of questions, how to attempt, and the descriptive type of answers also, should he write in paragraph, should he write it in points? So if you can give one sample answer sheet, so it'll be
Yes.
helpful. Like I can make sure that he
Yes.
writes it in that way, that it'll make sense.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I'll do it, ma'am. I'll do it.
Yeah.
And
Like just
today,
one or two samples, one for physics and one for chemistry, one for mathematics, so
yes,
that how to
yes.
write it, no, so that I can
Absolutely.
enforce that when he's doing it here.
Yes, it's grateful to do that. I'll
Yeah.
do it, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay.
And here in the mathematics, and again, the lot of question papers are placed over here. These are all the
Yeah.
CBSE board papers.
Okay. Yeah.
And 10 to also, there is a textbook.
Hmm.
NCERT textbook also placed over here. He can able to view that what are all the content. Other
Okay.
than NCERT textbook, I want to place other reference books also.
Yeah,
He can
yeah,
able to
like,
do that in that
yeah,
library. And
yeah,
this is. And
yeah.
coming to examinations, every Sunday examination,
Okay.
uh, I want to tell you, ma'am,
Yeah.
just there is in the front examination cell.
Okay.
He has to go to examination cell.
Okay.
And in this examination cell, directly there is a question paper will be over here. Class 9th
Okay.
CBSE.
Okay.
Once if you click here, today the
Yeah.
chemistry, he is having the exam.
Yeah.
I already placed the question paper over here.
Okay. Okay.
So whenever the free time, he can able to do that.
Okay.
And he has to send through WhatsApp all the answer sheets. And
Okay.
after correction of all the answer sheets, I'm placing his name of the folder. And the correction of the answer sheets I'm placing over here. And the
In
key sheet also I'm placing.
this page only on Google Drive. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
No, directly you can go for the website. In website
Okay.
itself, examination cell,
Okay.
you can directly view it. In this examination cell
Okay.
itself, once you click it,
Okay.
he
Okay.
can able to attempt which class he is. That class he can
Okay.
go.
Yeah.
And which subject today test we discussed, that folder he can go. Then
Yeah.
there is a question paper.
Okay.
After his answers, I'm placing the key sheet over here.
Okay.
If question paper having answer sheet also, I'm copying and pasting over here.
Okay.
So that will be great help to the child whether how much he wrote perfect. What is
Yeah.
exact answer? Where he gone wrong, he can able to assess. His answer sheets also will be there here itself.
Okay.
So this facility I'm giving from this academic year.
Okay. That will be very nice.
Yes.
Because at least the test and all that, if it's regular week, one can know how much he's learning also. Otherwise, it's very
Yes.
difficult. We have to
Yes.
wait for
Only
the
correction and giving up the marks. I don't want to do that. I want to give some more additional value. What is the exact answer? What you wrote it.
yeah, yeah,
So the next question comes how to modify that.
yeah,
So these things I'm giving to the child. So these are all the things, ma'am. Right now you can able to use it.
yeah, yeah,
And whenever Uday is free, let him go to the gallery. There are
yeah.
some personality development videos I'm placing over here.
Okay.
So the student, they are confident about their studies, but they are failing to write an examination. Lack of
Yeah,
support from the teacher, lack of support maybe from the parent, lack of support from himself. He has to upgrade himself. So parent and teacher, we can support him. Only we can give them the guidelines. We can give 100% value to the child. But
yeah,
from the child also, he has to learn how to grow himself. That's the most important. For that, a few of the videos I collected, I placed over here. So he has to maintain, he should not compare his study to someone. Maybe he may study whatever. His studies are his studies. So he has to be perfect in that. Let him watch these videos under gallery. And he should not forgive the challenges. For example, he's stuck in the mathematics. He failed to solve the problem. He has to keep on work on that. No, this problem is very difficulty. No, let the teacher help. No, let my parent help. No, my subordinate will help. It's not good. Let him identify what is the exact formula and how to
Yeah.
solve the formula and what kind of applications may come further.
Hmm.
So that's called as a forgiveness. We should not forgive the challenges. And the leadership qualities also I want to give him. I want to see him as a good leader once the school opens. So the leadership is also most important to the child. And the student has to practice more. Other than the teachers teaching, parents guidelines, student has to practice most of the time. And a few of the videos how that animals are doing. From the animals, how the child can learn. So these are all few things I'm placing. And he
Yeah.
should be courage in the study. He should be courage in the study. Some animals, it's crossing the road, and one animal is scaring to cross the road. Only scaring. Examination also only scaring. We should not give the scaring affection. He has to little bit practice, then he's upgrade his mind. So that's what some of the moral values I'm collecting, and some personality development videos I'll post it over here. I'll update you, ma'am. Let him see that what the child development is needed for the class 9. Then ultimately, once his mind if upgrades, absolutely he is the top scorer in CBSE. So that's what I want to give the 100% value to my child. He has to get something CBSE awards. So maybe whatever the regional he is crossing the exam, he should cross the perfect marks. Genuinely, he has to work out on that. So this is the way from my end, from this academic year, I'll give you, ma'am. And each and every 3 months once there is a parents meeting. The 3 months I'll record it, and you can observe that what we are teaching on the day.
Yeah.
Here today's live classes will be there. You can click it at any time.
Okay.
And here once you click it, there is a Excel sheet will be open.
Hmm.
So where is Uday? You can observe which
Yeah.
time I
Yeah.
taken and what I taught in that day,
Hmm. Okay.
which time, and physics, chemistry, mathematics, what I taught it, what subtopic I taught it. Also I'm mentioning over here.
Okay. Okay.
So this is also sometimes the parents may unable to track the child. They may be the busy.
Yeah.
So whenever they are free in the late nights, they can open the website, what the teacher taught, what my child learned. Then you can observe over here. So after the centering, I'm going to the class. So this is the way little bit developments I'm doing my level best
Yeah.
to give the education. And you can see that videos also. So that videos will be there, and you can able to observe here wherever the other videos over here.
Okay.
And while practicing time, I'm not recording. If
Okay.
practice is not there, generally oral discussions are going on. You can
Yeah.
observe that the different childrens and what we are learning in the classroom.
Okay.
So that's also I'm recording and posting over here. So that's what I want to help to the parent, because they're believing me, they're respecting me. Years together, they are with me. So that's the reason I want to give my 100% value to the parent as well as my child. So then
Okay.
only I'm the best teacher.
No, no, this is a good thing. At least, I'll be able to track also what he is doing, and
Yes.
because
Yes.
sometimes when his class is going on, I have my own work to do also,
Yes,
so I
ma'am.
can't disturb
Yes.
him all the
That's what
time.
I want to help to the
Not
parent.
all the time like this. Yes.
Yes. And this website I was created this academic year. And he is my father, Swami Babu. He is also educationalist. And 40 years he worked in a government service. He is very sincere officer. So on behalf of him, I'm doing the work. He is a teacher. How he worked, I know. That's what I want to work in a digital. I'm doing my research. I want to be as a scientist final day. Then that time I'll identify who are all my child, who are all studied with me, and who are all interested in science subject. I'll promote them. That's what my concept. I want to take them as my students if they come to the PhD honors or whatever. So that is my ambition to from the child to up to the doctorate degree. How can I make them to development? So these are all the things, ma'am.
All
And
right.
from the Uday end, the weaknesses I want to discuss is the most
Yeah.
important both of us.
Yeah. Hmm.
Ma'am, whenever he is studying science, a science subject I want to discuss, science
Yeah.
subject is quite understanding very well.
Yeah.
And whenever the physics problems comes, again he is facing the problem in the physics,
Yeah.
numericals. Remaining
Yeah.
concepts is fine. Remaining concepts don't have any issue.
Yeah.
The second thing, for the mathematics, he's not practicing.
Yeah.
He himself scaring. Mathematics is like such a subject. Number of kinds of problems are coming. How to solve the problem? That's what this year. Other than the Skype, I'm making as a Zoom. There is a whiteboard. I'm writing and I'm explaining them
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
how to understand.
Yeah.
Then each and every class, whenever I request, I need WhatsApp notes also, ma'am. What he is writing on the classroom.
Okay, that I will send. After every class,
Please,
I will
ma'am.
send it to
That I
you.
need it
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
that
Then he will know
mathematics.
what you taught and what he's understood is the same.
Yes, what he understood the same. I need through WhatsApp as an output from him that day class.
Hmm.
Even one problem or two problems or three problems for 1 hour is not a problem to me. Let it be complete few of the problems, but what he understood.
Yeah.
Second thing, ma'am, whenever I'm teaching him, he should open the camera up to 1 hour online only, like you and me, how we are discussing.
Yeah. So he
Many
doesn't
times I'm
open
upset.
it?
No, he's offline is going. So I'm
Oh,
monitoring. I'm monitoring him whether he is sitting before of me or not.
hmm.
I never be stand outside out of my chair.
Hmm.
It's very difficult. 1 hour student is waiting for me. I have to give them my value to the student. That 1 hour completely I'll sit in my chair only. But
Hmm.
just I'm wondering whether he's sitting on a chair or not. He should not
Yeah,
switch
that I
off the camera and he should not switch off the mute.
okay.
Both also mandatory because continuous flow is required for 1 hour.
Yeah.
Whenever he is writing, I need to understand that he is writing or not.
Okay.
So if I didn't get the output, very difficult to me to go for the next steps also.
Yeah.
Because I'm confusing whether my child is understanding me or not, or whether he is confusing himself, or in any other part he didn't
Yeah.
understand. So I need to evaluate it. It's feeling very difficulty from the other end.
Yeah.
He should
Always.
not. He should not switch off the camera. He should not switch off the mute. Both should be
Okay.
live only. And sometimes I'm putting on the mute. The main reason, if circumstances, if any voice, if I listen, I'm scaring
Yeah.
it may record the voice. On that case, I'm putting for 1 minute. Again, I'm unmute only. So
Yeah.
because I should be communicate with him, he should not feel that teacher is not in a seat. I never be do that. I'll
Yeah.
be in the seat only, 100% before of the child. He has to understand the concept completely 1 hour. Maybe four
Yeah.
numericals or five numericals, no problem. One numerical, no problem.
Yeah.
That numerical he has to understand completely. Then end of the day, he has to reply me through WhatsApp what he wrote it.
Yeah. That I will ensure. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Second thing, till now I was not tracked how he is writing the handwriting.
Yeah.
Handwriting is the most important. When I'm going for the CBSE evaluation, I'm confusing about the child answers. Scribbling writing, scribblings or scratches, many more should not write in the examination hall. So any answer sheet should not be reflect, especially first 3 pages.
Yeah.
First impression is the best impression to the evaluator. So he has to write very neatly, cleanly. So that's what I want to monitor him for the next 3 months.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Every time you have a class, I will personally take a photograph of whatever notes he is doing and send it to
yes,
you.
every
And
day,
then
ma'am.
at least,
Every day I
yeah,
need it.
every
Even for
time.
mathematics or physics or chemistry, every day I need it from him what he's writing on the notes.
Yeah.
So through camera, very difficult to identify the
I
handwriting.
understand. I will send it by WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I need your support.
Yeah, yeah. This all this is very doable. I'll do this.
Yeah, ma'am. And
Yeah.
please
And
advise me as it.
the camera and mute. The speaker has to be on all the time. He should never unmute it, and his
Yes,
handwriting has to get better. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So this is my total portfolio I'm talking, ma'am. For the next
Yeah.
up to 3 months, these are all the things I want to monitor to him.
Sure. Sure.
July, August, September.
Yeah.
And again, the September 5th or something, again, our parents' meeting exactly after three
Yeah.
months.
Yeah.
These
Okay.
3 months also you can monitor through the website, each and everything crystallizing I'm giving.
Yeah.
So the digital teacher training also got it from last 1 week.
Okay.
So from today, I'm getting the certificate from the Teachers World Organization.
Okay.
So complete 100% value I can give to my child. One child is sufficient for me, not necessarily
Yeah.
1 million of the students. If one child develop, the teacher life happiness is entirely different. So that's what I'm expecting from Uday and you also, ma'am.
Mm.
Please
Okay.
advise me if any further steps you need it. I'll cooperate to
Yeah,
you, ma'am.
definitely. That I'll let you know.
Yeah, ma'am.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, to attend the parents meeting. This is the first time I'm conducting after 2 years.
Yeah,
So you can observe my development also as a teacher.
yeah,
So not only the online teaching and sending him for the examination hall, I don't want to do that. I want to be as a coach. I want to be as a mentor. I want to be as a parent. So I have to look after my child through education, his knowledge improvement, and how he is going to examination hall. Please take care of his health, ma'am, and
definitely.
don't send him outside because COVID is affecting many people.
Yeah,
He is a small child, and lungs and the development also may not be proper. So big officers itself, they're giving their lives to the COVID. It's not easy to talk. So the child health is the most important, and sanitization, everything. Please take care, ma'am.
mhm.
So I'm also will be take care. I'm not going out of this room. I'm complete giving education to my child. Thank you so much,
Definitely.
ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you. Thank you.
and wish you all the best for the also.
Yeah, same
Convey
to
my
you.
regards, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
okay.
much. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.